welcome back to another video. In today's video we have got a haul video. It is some more nail stuff. I mainly ordered this because I wanted to try and see what the blueberry cuticle oil smells like. So all the rest of it you'll see in all my other videos when I think it, because I've ordered quite a bit this time. So we have some gel residue wipe off. We have some Mega White. I think I ordered 2 of those. And I ordered some Crystal Clear. Oh, packing peanuts. So, and we have some Max Adhesion. There should be 8 of these. Some brush cleaner. So let's have a look. Max Adhesion. Max Adhesion. Some acetone. Some more gel res. What's this one? Max Adhesion. Max Adhesion. Oh, this is, we'll smell that in a minute and see what that's like. That's the blueberry cuticle oil. So some more brush cleaner, acetone, gel residue, Max Adhesion, acetone, Max Adhesion, brush cleaner. So we have some more white and some more clear, some more Max Adhesion and some more acetone. What's this? And oh, this is like who packed it and stuff, so that's pretty nice. It doesn't come like, you know, like in some stuff when you order it, it comes with like a piece of paper that tells you what you've ordered and stuff. So let me just move this. So we want to see if this smells nice. So I ordered this. This is the main reason I placed this order. Plus I needed stuff anyway, but this is the reason I bought this. So I actually want to see if this actually smells nice. So, oh, it smells nice. I don't, Julian, come here and smell this and tell me if it smells like blueberries. It smells really nice. I think it smells like blueberries. Smell that. It says it does smell like blueberries a little bit. So there you are, guys. So that's this video. Let's move all this over here. So it's only just a quick little video to show you my latest haul. You will either before this video or after this video, I have a Nails by Annabelle, you know, Glitterbell's massive haul of them acrylic powders. So it'll be either before this video or after this video. But there you are, guys. So that's the end of this video, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas for any other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.